Good morning everyone. Today I will be telling and giving a demonstration on how to plot the TGA graph using Microcal Origin 6.0 version. So as in my previous video you have seen how to open this particular software and how to start up with that. So as I open this software, you will be getting from the worksheet onto the top left corner. As you click onto this, you will be getting this type of data worksheet. So as you go into this, so you have to get the raw data from this import ASCII file. So as I've told in my previous video how to get the import ASCII file, the file from where you will have to extract the data. So my data is loaded in my pen drive. So I just click onto the text word, alright, and then I click and I find out my files where it is loaded. So I get it. So as you can see, there are two folders named in under this TGA. So as I click onto this and I open, you will be finding there is no matched item. The reason is that this particular file, the raw data, it is given in the form of Excel sheet, and this Excel sheet is not being recognized by this particular software. To get exactly the data for this particular software, which is given in originally given in the Excel sheet, so you have to extract the data from the Excel sheet directly from there. So I'll just minimize it. First I'll open the main data here, where I have loaded my data. Okay, so this is the main Excel sheet of this file. So as I open it, so you'll be getting lots of data. So you want basically in case of TGA, we want percentage weight loss versus temperature. So we have this particular file, this you want two data, temperature versus percentage weight loss. So you have this two data in the Excel sheet, as you can see. So I'll be just selecting these two data from here. And I'll go back to the software and I'll just paste it here. I'll be going back again to this, and this folder, this in the block column D, you have the percentage weight loss. So you just select that data, and then again you go back into this and you plot here. Now as in the previous video, I have already told you how to select the data. So just select these two data and go into the line plot, and you will be getting such type of data here. Okay, now in order to check that what is the type of weight loss, what percentage of weight loss is there. So for this, now as you get this data regarding the overlaying, I have already told you how to overlay the data, 2, 3, how many number of data you want to overlay. I have already told you in the previous video, so I will not go into that. So for the TGA, how will you identify, or how will you interpret how much percentage of weight loss? So the y-axis basically denotes the percentage weight loss, and the x-axis denotes the temperature. Okay, so first we will be checking in case of this. Will you see here in this upper icons, there is icon line tool. Alright, so you just click it over here and you see what is the steps of degradation in this particular graph. You see there is first step of degradation is here in this stage. Alright, so as you have to stretch this line, so you will be getting this type of data. You have to make it straight. This depends upon how much practice you make it here. Alright, so I stretch it here and just you have to okay, so that is the straight line that you've got. So in order to make it up and down, so you can, with the help of on your keyboard there is a cursor up and down, page up and down. So as you select the line, with the help of the keyboard page up and down, you can move the line up and down. So that is the first step of degradation, as you can see onto this. So this is the first step of degradation. So basically the degradation point starts from this temperature. So we have to note down this temperature also. It starts from this temperature, that is this in this particular data in this okay. So it starts from this particular point, that is 0, then comes 0 to 100. In between 0 to 100 there is a lining, that is your 50 points. So just behind this 50 points, so you can say it is around 40. So it starts, the degradation starts from 40 degrees Celsius temperature, as you can see. So our first step of degradation starts from 40 degrees Celsius temperature here. All right. In order to get it much more confirmed, as I have told you in the previous presentation, that how to exactly identify what point is that. So you go into the screen reader here and you place your screen reader here and in this particular point, okay, and check what is the temperature. You can see the temperature, it is showing 34.39, that is 34.4 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, so this is your degradation starts exactly from 34.4 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, so 34.39, you have to note it down, 34.39 degrees Celsius temperature. So you can note it down here itself, that this temperature is 34 point. So in order to write down what temperature, what is this, so you have to again click onto the text tool here and you just write it 34.39. okay, for degree Celsius, you have to click onto this icon here. You see superscript and subscript are given. You have to go to the superscript like point, you have to put it back, then go into this beyond the bracket, you have to click your cursor, then bring your degree Celsius, and you can see at the bottom, you can see here that it is showing 34.39 degrees Celsius, the way you want to plot your temperature. Okay, now you select this whole part to make it more bold. You just go for this bold part and you click OK. So this is your temperature, that is 34.39 degrees Celsius. This is the first temperature where your degradation starts. Okay, so you can write in your paper that 34.39, that the sample starts degrading from 34.39 degrees Celsius. Generally, when it is a polysaccharide sample or a natural sample, this degradation starts right from very lower temperature because of the presence of lot of moisture content in that. And moreover, the polysaccharides are the natural substances, they are very labile to heat, they are not that stable. That's why we go for various process of modifications of the polymer to be used in case of your drug delivery system. Okay, now one more thing I like to share here. In order to make this particular line much more broad and much more firm, to get it much more broad, you can put your cursor directly over this line and right click, double click it here. Okay, and you can get it much more broader line. Now the next step of degradation, you have to click again into the line tool and see from where your degradation starts again. So this is the first step where there is a curve that it has start degrading. Now these points come again here, again now here this is the, you see as it goes here, again there is a decline in this. So this is the second step of degradation. So we'll start with this is the second step of the degradation. All right, so this is the second stage of degradation. Fine. So once you get into this second step of degradation, okay, now again you have to put your cursor and bring back what is the temperature. You have to note down the temperature here. Okay, so the temperature, this is 250. So exactly from this screen reader, you have to put your screen reader here and you have to check what is the temperature, 255.86 degrees Celsius. So here you have to write, you have to point out the temperature is, you have to write down 255.86. Again into the superscript form, go beyond the bracket, put 0 and then 255.86, go into the superscript part, okay, put 0, go beyond the bracket, then put C. Alright, so you select this and click onto the bold button, you will be getting this. So this is your temperature. So your next step of degradation starts at 255.86 degrees Celsius, the second stage of degradation. Okay, now coming to the third stage of degradation. You see the sample again goes on burning. Now this is the second step of degradation. Here again there is a decline. It again gets this point here, so you have to mark this point again. So here you get again the third step of degradation. Here again with the help of screen reader, with the help of, first you have to note down what is the temperature here at this point where the third step of degradation goes on. Okay, so once you get that, so with the help of the screen reader you have to see what is the degradation point. So it is 368.01. So you have to note down that 368.01 or 368 degrees Celsius temperature. So you have to note down it, 368.01. okay, then put the 0 button, make it bold. Okay. So this is the third stage, this is the third temperature stage where your degradation starts. Okay. Similarly, you have to go for another step of degradation. You see here is another stage of degradation. This is the final stage of degradation. Okay. Now again here to find out what is this stage of degradation. So you have to check, before that you have to see the temperature at what point. Okay, so like similarly as I have told you previously, so you have to, with the help of screen reader, you have to find it 506.21 or 22. The temperature is 506.22. so let us mark it here, 506.22. okay, then go to this cursor, then go beyond this bracket, then put the C sign and put it bold. Okay, so here you have all the four stages of degradation. Fine. Now in order to check what is the amount of percentage of the weight loss, because your y axis actually denotes the percentage weight loss. So this y axis, you see there is, so here you have to first see that what is the weight loss starting from here when it started when first. So you have to put again the line cursor here, and you have to put one arrow. Now here again you have to check. Now here you have to see what is the percentage weight loss. Now here you have to calculate what amount of weight loss is here in this part. Okay, so as you can see, this is the point, this is the first point. Okay, so you have 49.055, it is the first point, 49.055. and what is the end point of this, the first step of degradation? The end point is 48.86. okay, this is y axis. You have to count the y axis, 91.8022 here of this 91.8022, and on the top it is around 99.4388. so if you deduct 99.44 from 91.8, so you will be getting 7.64 percentage. So your percentage weight loss here in this first stage is 7.64. okay, 7.64 percentage. So you just make it bold, and then there you go. So similarly you have to go for each and every stages of degradation, and at the end you have to see, you have to match up, you have to see what is after modification of this particular substance, what is the change in this each and every stage, that step of degradation. Okay, so I'll just go with another data here. As you can see here in this second stage, again you see here is the first second stage degradation starts from 91.8 and it ends at 81.54. so 91.8 minus 81. So you get 10.26 percentage. Okay, 10.26 percentage. So here is your percentage. You just click 10.26